Hey guys, Jackson, Free Auto Mechanic. Let me first ask you, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so. We're up over 2,400. Not bad. Those that have subscribed, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. What I'm going to talk about today are LED turn signal bulbs. They're pretty cool looking. Last Fit sent these out to me. They sent me out a couple pair specifically for my Chevy Silverado. But some of you may have known, I recently purchased a Jeep, and I thought, I'm going to try it on the Jeep if they're the same light bulb. So I took a look at the bulb, and they're pretty easy to get to. You can just reach up under here, and they pop loose. Pretty simple. And sure enough, it's a 3157. The ones they sent me were 3157A, which just means that they're amber in color, which is going to be amber in color anyway, so it should work. The only thing that you're going to run into is, in order to put the bulb in here and put it back inside, you've got to take these two screws loose, because there's a metal plate behind the fender that keeps you from being able to put it back in the same way. But so let's go ahead and try that real quick. We just need to take these two screws out, and you want to use a T15 hex. They'll slide right out for you. Next we'll need our bulb. And these do look pretty well made. And so what we'll do is we'll put the bulb in just like we took the other one out. We'll hold this up in the air, and you can see it easier here. All you're doing is just rotating it. You rotate it and it locks into place. And we'll put our screws back in. Alright, and that's all there is to swapping out a bulb. Let's see what she looks like. Okay, here we go. So just hazards. Wow. Wow. No comparison. Somebody's going to know that you intend to turn, right? Wow. Let's pull the camera back further. Yeah, definitely more visible during the day. That's a remarkable difference. So I guess the only responsible next thing would be to put the other one on the other side, because that was pretty cool. And you can see you could do it this way too, and you just twist, it pops out. Take our new LED bulb from Last Fit, and if you want to get some of these for yourself, which I'm going to say is going to be a whole lot nicer and safer driving down the road, I'll put a link down in the description below if you want to get a hand on some of those. I still like to put both screws in, get them started before you tighten them down. It's just a good habit to get into. Alright, now let's check that out. So, it shows that it's flashing inside. I checked our back ones. Maybe not so good a connection. So, you can see, lights are working fine. However, you go to swap the bulbs out. This one doesn't want to work. It's not wanting to work here either, for some reason. I don't understand. Maybe they're just not designed to work with a Jeep. But, so, what I've surmised of what I'm going to do is I guess I'm going to give back a hold of Last Fit and see if they can't send me out some bulbs that are specifically designed for this Jeep. Because those look really cool on there, and I can definitely see the benefits of people being able to see it from far distance, and it's going to be that much greater at nighttime. LEDs the way of the future. If you want to get some for yourself, see the link down below. I'll let you know what happens. So I found out after a little bit of research and trial and error that you simply just have to take the bulb and flip it over. I guess they're polarity sensitive or something, I'm not sure. But if you plug one in and it doesn't seem to work, just flip it over, plug it back in, you're good to go. And I'll show you. So as you can see for yourself, they work pretty good. They're really bright. Let me go ahead and turn those off here. So just by chance you've got a turn signal bulb that's gone out and you want to replace them yourself, one, I'd take the time to upgrade it to a little bit nicer bulb. You can see that they're a whole lot brighter, a whole lot safer from a distance. I don't think you're going to go wrong with these. Link down in the bottom if you're interested in purchasing them. In fact, I'm going to throw you a link down there, give you a 10% off discount if you decide to go ahead and order them. Just go ahead and put that in. I'll put it in the description down below. Thanks for watching.